Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is the 10 days of Kissmas. It's a holiday series of hair and makeup tutorials, and of course some pink-centric costumes, characters. So if you're looking to add a little pagan glam to your holiday jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a like, remember to share with all your holiday friends, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss, and check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. Let's go ahead and acknowledge the pink elephant in the room. I started filming this video and I got almost done with it and decided I hated the makeup. So I started over. But then I had to charge batteries, as you do. So while I was charging and stuff and things, I decided let me go ahead and get like the body paint done and, you know, start on the eyes nonsense, which was actually me just falling into an eyeliner delirium where you just keep going and going and going. In any case, I'm back now, or I'm here now, I guess, rather. And today we are going to talk about probably my favorite holiday character, the Krampus. So throughout parts of Europe, Krampus is very, very recognizable as a dark holiday entity. He's said to punish naughty children with a lot more than just cold. Nothing quite gets me in the holiday spirit like demons abducting children. So the Krampus originates in the pre-Christianized Alpine region of Europe, okay? Meaning, you know, where the Alps are. Germany, Austria, north of Italy, parts of France, the Czech Republic. That's the demon tone I'm looking for. So, contemporary holiday stories would paint the Krampus as kind of this dark sidekick to St. Nicholas, you know, like a counterpart. Or I guess kind of a team, you know. Nice children for one, naughty for the other. But the origin is actually a little more, femme. The Krampus originates in Norse and Germanic lore. To the origin story! Folklore would have it that the Krampus was this satyr-like horned deity, you know, kind of similar to the Greek satyr. Also very mischievous, very rowdy. Krampus comes from the High German word Krampon, which means claw, a beast with claws. So let's go way back to the legend of Perchta. And I don't want to get too much into Perchta because I'm doing a whole other video on it. But she was basically this gorgeous, powerful, ice queen, winter queen. And she kind of acted as both Krampus and St. Nicholas. So she would both reward the good and punish the bad, you know, the misbehaving children. Perchta would come into children's rooms, slice them open, cut open their stomachs, and fill it with all manner of twigs and rubble and thistle. And she didn't stop there. This is fur, by the way, because we all know I'm going to do anything. So then she would sew the stomachs back up, put them back in the kids. And this all happened during the winter solstice. Happy Feast of the Epiphany! But actually, so she had like a little crew of minions, demons, and you know, there were two types of demons. So you had, you know, your beautiful demons that would go and do nice things, I guess. And then you had the ugly demon-like minions. These horn-clawed, long-tongued devils. Aha, now we're getting closer to Krampus. It was thought that if you decorated your home with the likeness of these little demons, you know, little tchotchkes or whatnot or what have you, that it would repel them. So then, you know, people started dressing up as these demons and, you know, going door to door, doing pranks and whatnot. And having, these minions were called Perkton. I don't know if I said that. So then these men that were dressed as the Perkton would have a Perkton loaf or a Perkton rum. But guess who wasn't about these festivals? Guess who just couldn't handle the Yuletide street party? One guess, the Christians. So the church is like, alright guys, this isn't gonna fly. This is not how we roll. So now the Austrian people, that's where we are right now, we're in Austria, are butting heads with the church. So now the church is like, no more Perkton loaf! And they're like, okay, cool, yeah, no problem. You didn't say anything about Krampus. This is where our Krampus demon creature is gonna start serving Saint Nicholas. Okay, so there's not just one Krampus. Krampus refers to this breed of horn-clawed holiday demons. It's like a whole group of Yule monsters. Well, you know, the people change it up, and now they've got this Krampus. And the church is still like, that's a little hedonistic for us. So, like, cool. Saint Nick good, Krampus bad. And of course, begin depicting him more like the devil. And now we're talking like we're getting into like the 11th through the 16th century. So let's digress for a moment and talk about Saint Nicholas. Is, you know, he's kind of like your Santa Claus of, you know, contemporary holiday tradition. Going home to home every December 5th and leaving, you know, treats and small toys for the children. And this is kind of where you get the stocking idea. Good little German boys and girls. Or I guess not just German boys and girls, but those of the Alpine regions will shine up their boots and leave them outside. St. Nicholas comes and, you know, he leaves things in their boots. And if you're good, you know, like I said, you get those small toys and treats. And if you're bad, you get, you know, a lump of coal. More commonly, a switch, you know, a tree branch for your, you know, your parents to spank you with. And if you were kind of like a mix of the two, it was a little God, it was so trolly, you know? You'd have your boot and with a switch in it, and you've seen those little German chocolates with like, and they're like little ornaments. Yeah, they hang those on the switches. So yeah, you get your treats and your candies, but you're still getting your licks. Okay, so now the Krampus is also known to carry switches, which, you know, he can beat naughty children with. But more importantly, I'd say, is the basket on his back. Sometimes also depicted as a sack. And the Krampus uses this to kidnap children, and he either drowns them and eats them, or drags them back to hell, where, let's be honest, he's probably still eating them. So I believe that brings us to Krampus night. So Krampus night is, should we say celebrated? Yes, we should. The night before St. Nicolaus night. Traditionally, that would be December 5th. Yes, December 5th. This is the night that the Krampus can freely roam the streets, house to house, seeking those ill-behaved children. Come out, little kinder, I'm here to punish you. So say the Krampus. I don't know, he probably doesn't say anything. He's probably just like, stop. It's go time, kleine Kind. Devil's in the details. You know, time marches on and things change. St. Nicolaus becomes Santa Claus. And the Krampus, wow. Krampus became kind of an overly sexualized, goofy character featured on, you know, all matter of postcards and things. Nobody took the Krampus seriously anymore. I'll be that sexualized Krampus. So then with the continued Christianization, holidays started moving around naturally. Krampus night and St. Nicholas night, you know, well, they're still observed in a lot of places. Germany, for instance. Christmas became kind of the new St. Nicholas night with the evolution to Santa Claus. And thusly, Krampus night has to move to, you know, to Christmas Eve. In keeping with tradition, Krampuslauf, the Krampus run, is still practiced, which is of course a festival of people dressing up as the Krampus and running down the streets and trying to scare children, going door to door and exchanging small gifts and things for schnapps and brandy. Great! I need my horns. I figured I'd get dressed while I got my horns. I know you guys want to see the whole costume. Okay. Thank you for joining me, guys. Oh. Thank you for joining me, guys, while I got into the mood for Krampusnacht. Maybe I'll go find a Krampuslauf myself. Go join in the run. Goat pants have pockets. Have a happy and safe Krampus night, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now I'm off to go punish some wicked children. Remember to like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. And remember to stay tuned for the rest of the 10 days of Kissmas. Until next time, give your hair a kiss.